Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. To this recipe, I share with you how to make savory chin chin. Ingredients: I use flour, butter, powdered milk, onions, garlic, nutmeg, salt, baking powder, water. In a large bowl, I'll add the flour. Be sure to sieve the flour before use. Powdered milk, baking powder, salt, I'll grate in nutmeg. Mix them together. I'll add room temperature butter. Mix until they are well combined. You can use your hand to mix it as well. Next, I'll be using 1 medium-sized onions and 2 cloves of garlic, and I'll add that in a blender. Add a little bit of water to help the blade of the blender. I'll cover the blender and blend, and you can grate them as well. In a bowl, I'll add the blended onions and garlic. Add the onions and garlic to the rest of the ingredients. Add water gradually. Mix until a dough is formed. The dough shouldn't be too hard and it shouldn't be too soft. When the dough is smooth, I'll cover and leave it to rest for 10 minutes. Ten minutes later, it's time to roll the dough. I'll flour the work surface and place the dough. I'll cut the dough into two. I'll keep half of the dough and work with half at a time. Be sure to cover it so it won't dry out. Sprinkle some more flour on it so it will be easy to roll it out. I'll roll the dough till it's thin. With a cutter, I'll trim the edge of the dough. And then cut the dough into a slim sizes. You can use a knife to cut the dough as well. And I'll separate them so they don't stick together. Put this set aside and repeat the process with the rest of the dough. In a pan, add oil and start heating it up. When the oil is hot, I'll add onions to flavor the oil and fry it for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the onions. It's time to fry the savory chin chin. I'll add some of the cut chin chin dough inside the hot oil and fry on medium heats. Allow the chin chin to fry a bit before stirring it. And stir it constantly so it will fry nicely without getting burnt. When the chin chin is golden brown, they are ready. I'll remove them from the hot oil and transfer to a strainer that is lined with paper towel. At this point, my kitchen smells divine. I'll repeat this process with the rest of the cut chin chin dough. The savory chin chin is ready. Allow it to cool down completely and store in an airtight container. This chin chin was very crunchy and it tasted very delicious. Will you be giving this recipe a try? Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed and I will see you in my next video. Bye.